Your box will contain 2 packages. One package contains 2 pieces. I love how easy this hard door draft stopper is to apply to my door, but it also gets the job done, keeps those bugs out, also keeps your air in, the cool air in, and also your heat during the cooler months as well. It tells you the step-by-step processes of how to apply, how long you need to wait, and all of the in-between very basic details. Super easy to do to make sure that the stopper adheres to the best of its ability. Start by measuring your PVC, then cut if needed. Go ahead and wipe off your surface area. Peel the adhesive tape off the back of it. You can warm it with your blow dryer if needed. Go ahead and press it onto your door so it is ready to go. This is half soft PVC, half hard PVC. I love that it sits flush with the floor, so no matter what kind of flooring you have, whether it's just hardwood, if you have a rug, or even carpet, it's going to clear the path for you and make sure that it keeps all the crumbs out of the way. As you can tell right here in this video, any crumbs that were in its path were cleared, so you can tell that is definitely going to seal, keep your cool and warm air in. You won't regret this great buy.